Welcome to Mech Boy. In this video I will teach you how to solve adjacent corner piece of a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. You can try it manually, but can't possible, so don't think about this. Just follow the video instructions. You can see here two corner are not correctly oriented. Rotate the cube in Y direction, that means solve layer are in top position. Then check the unsolved corner in correct position but not correctly oriented. If it's found satisfactory, then just do the algorithm appear in front of you. The unsolved corner is in front right of downside, then do R, U, R prime, U prime. Repeat until 3 yellow face are in downside. Now you can see 3 yellow face are in downside. Place the mismatch corner in front right of downside by rotating last layer, not the whole cube. Like this. Now perform the same algorithm as do in previous. R, U, R prime, U prime. Repeat this algorithm until the whole cube solved. And the final turn, boom, it's done. Thanks for watching. Please make this video with 100 likes. Please do subscribe and press bell icon for getting Rubik's Cube video